If you've clicked on this video, this is your sign to start something new. This could be starting a business, starting a new hobby, starting a new fitness journey. Whatever it is, this is your sign today to start something new. Do not allow fear to prohibit you from pursuing your goals. Do not allow fear to stop you from starting, because when you're starting something new, you don't know what's going to come along with that, and sometimes people will talk themselves out of starting it because they want to be in control of everything, and because of the unknown, they never start. Don't allow this to stop you. Also, this could be the fear of the opinions of others, something that you definitely do not want to stop you from pursuing your goals, because if you allow the opinions of others to stop you from doing the things that you want to do, then you're not going to go far in life, because you're going to be pulled in every which direction all the time. Do not allow fear to keep you stuck. The fear of the unknown, whatever it is, decide today that you're going to take action and actually start that thing that you've been saying you wanted to start for years. Today is the day that you're going to start. I believe it. If you lack confidence, do it scared. Let me say that again. If you lack confidence, do it scared. There's no shortcuts. The only way to become better at something is actually by doing it. So whatever it is that you want to do, you have to actually start doing it. And you'll build confidence by continually practicing that thing and working towards it. That's how you'll become more confident. So if you lack confidence, again, do it scared. But there's no way to do that if you don't actually start. And also, not just start, but doing it consistently. You need to have the discipline and the consistency to do whatever it is that you want to do every day. Carve out time every day, no matter how small, no matter how insignificant you think that time may be, because you'll say to yourself, what's 5 minutes really going to do? What's 10 minutes really going to do? You'd be surprised how many businesses started by people who actually started working on those businesses after they left a 9 to 5. People who started working on those businesses after they put their kids to bed. People who started working on those businesses after whatever. You get the point. You have to start. Start today. Do not allow your age to prohibit you from starting, because you think to yourself, oh, I'm too old. This is something I should have done when I was a kid. Guess what? That time has passed, if that's the case for you. But that doesn't mean that you cannot still do what you want to do. You have to have a mindset shift and think about it. Whatever it is that you actually want to do, there are people who are older than you who've done that thing simply because they had the courage to step out on faith and pursue that thing. Think about that. Almost any situation, I'm sure that there's someone who, whatever it is that you want to do, that was much older than you, who started, do some research if you need to, a simple Google search or whatever it is that you want to do, type it in, and type in, I guess, oldest person to do XYZ, and you'll see. And that should give you some motivation if you're allowing your age to prohibit you from moving forward. And I hope that you're not. There are people who I'm sure you know who always say that they want something, and they'll give you 1,000,001 reasons why they don't have that thing or why they can't start that thing. And honestly, if you clicked on this video, that's not going to be you any longer. I believe that. I'm speaking over your life. You are going to start doing the things that are required in order for you to be successful in life in all areas. And that starts simply by, again, eliminating fear. Step out on faith and pursue your goals. If this is resonating with you, just drop a comment. Whatever it is you're feeling right now, leave it in the comments. I'm interested, and I would love to connect more with my community. Just drop in the comments you're talking to me so that I can know that, you know, I'm speaking to someone or that it's landing with someone. If I could just help one person, honestly, to step out on faith and to better themselves in life, then I'm good with that, because I do believe that this message, again, is not for everyone, because everyone is not going to do what's required in order to achieve great things. Some people are okay with being comfortable or being in the place that they're in, and if they say that they aren't, I'm going to tell you the sure way to tell what someone really wants to do. Their habits. Think about it. People can say they want to do X, Y, Z, but if they don't actually have habits that reflect that, then they're not going to be able to achieve or get what they want to do. So if your habits aren't conducive to producing the results that you desire, you have to develop some new habits. And you can develop new habits. This could be getting up earlier in order to get that workout in before you go to work. This could be getting up early to start writing that business plan, whatever it is. This could be going to bed earlier because you're up all night scrolling on social media instead of doing the things that you need to do or getting the rest that you need to get to be totally productive the next day. And this is how you start something new. Very simple. All you have to do is create a plan with short-term and long-term goals.